Oh, my darlings, I must tell you that I was in the audience that evening for that performance, and it was one of the most wonderful experiences of my life. And I say to you from my heart that tonight, being here together with you for this 1 hour is also one of the most wonderful evenings of my life. And you know, it's so wonderful to look out there and see so many of my dear, dear friends in the audience tonight. And I know that there are many more of you out there that I know, but unfortunately I don't recognize you with your clothes on. But well, be that as it may, as I was saying to you, my darlings, tonight I want to share with you some tidbits about my romantic life. Now, it was still in the 1960s, and then at times in the 1970s, when I took a young rapscallion by the name of Rod Stewart, also known as Rod the Bod Stewart. Oh, my darling, I remember one night we were just dancing and dancing and dancing away, and the next thing I knew, Rod was giving me a ride on his broom. And the next thing I know, I found myself flying through the air. And then the very next thing I know, I find myself in Bangkok. Bangkok. That's a proper noun. It's not a verb phrase. Bangkok. Oh, my darlings, I must tell you that Rod and I had quite the many experiences together in Thailand. And so in return for taking me on the trip, I wrote a song for him. And I gave it to Rod. And it became a huge hit for him all over the world. Outside, another yellow moon has punched a hole in the nighttime mist. I climb through the window down to the street, shining like a new diamond. The downtown trains are full of all them Bangkok boys and girls. They try so hard to break out of their little worlds. You wave your hand and they scatter like crows. They have nothing that'll ever capture your heart. They're just thorns without the rose. Be careful of them in the dark. Oh, if I was the one you chose to be your only one. Can't you hear me now? Can't you hear me now? Will I see you tonight on a downtown train? Every night, it's just the same on a Bangkok train. I know your window and I know it's late. I know your stairs and your doorway. I walk down your street and past your gate. I stand by the light of the four-way and watch them as they fall. Oh, baby, they all having their heart attack. They'll stay at the carnival, but they'll never win you back. Will I see you tonight on a BTS train? Every night, it's just the same. You leave me lonely. Will I see you tonight on an MRT train? All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train. Will I see you tonight on a BTS train? Every night it's just the same. Will I see you tonight on an MRT train? All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train, on a Bangkok train. All my dreams fall like rain on a downtown train. Well, my darlings, I must tell you that there's not a happy ending to that story. I am afraid that the allures of Bangkok proved to be a death knell for our relationship. Rod, the bod, took up with some kind of a transistor person or transgender person, whatever they're calling themselves these days.